Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to a stunning natural spot in my area, namely is Puntang Adventure Park. Mount Puntang or Puntang Adventure Park is one of the favorite tourist destination for nature lovers and mountain climbers. Nah, in Puntang Adventure Park, there are many places to visit. This place is also commonly used for camping. One of the places I often visit is the Love Pond, or I usually call Kolam Cinta, in front of which lies the first radio station in Asia, the Sid Malabar radio station. Nah, this place is so beautiful. Even at the first glance, it feels like being in a fairy tale land.